All right, so I have a new product here, new to me anyway, not necessarily new to the market, but these are wheel spacers I picked up for the Honda Civic Type R 2024 FL5. And I don't know I'll get these installed today, but I just want to do a quick unboxing and see what they look like. So 2 boxes, I did 15 for the front, 20 for the rear. And one thing I noticed when these showed up is, as I did a quick opening to see what they look like, there's no marking on the box anywhere to indicate which size is which I found very interesting. So I'll have to get these opened up, take a measurement, and see what they actually look like to determine which will be the 20 and which will be the 15, so I know where they go. So let me get these unwrapped and we'll see what each looks like. All right, here they are unwrapped. Each comes very, very thoroughly wrapped. Plenty of plastic, individually wrapped for both sets. I just already unwrapped these completely. As you can see, they come pretty complete with the necessary hardware to actually get these attached. You obviously will use the original lug nuts from the car to put through the holes, and then your wheels will then attach to the new studs here. They also have caps on them to help prevent any sort of chipping from the threads, which I think is great. The website says these have the slots on the back to help dissipate heat, etc. I don't know if that's a huge deal. I would never necessarily take these on the track. If I were to track the car, I would take the spacers off. I know people have run spacers on their car while at the track. It's just something that I wouldn't feel safe doing with the extra load that's being placed on the axles. So looking at each of these as they come out, I wasn't sure at first without any real markings, but I'll be able to tell pretty easily which is the 15 and which is the 20, which was the expectation. Just would have been nice to have something noted on the box. I also don't see anything noted on the spacer itself as far as the sizing. Again, not a huge deal. You can definitely tell by holding them up, but it'd be nice if there was something very specific marking on each spacer so you can see what they all look like. So here are all 4 of them together. Again, just a quick unboxing to see what they look like. The difference between the 15 and the 20. Again, 15 I'll be doing in the front, 20 I'll be doing in the rear. And that won't happen until after the winter. I don't drive the Type R in the winter, and right now we're experiencing this coming week potentially minus 20 degrees. So we're gonna go ahead and stop here, and I'll get these installed on the car at some point prior to an opportunity to drive them, but that way we can see what they look like. All right, thanks for tuning in. Until next time.